This is a critical message for men who find themselves very frustrated and confused. Despite your best efforts and putting everything into a year that's flying by, you're frustrated and confused because you're not actually getting what you signed up for. It's pretty tough, isn't it, when you keep breaking your back and not pouring into your own bucket, but giving to your family, your children and your wife, giving to your business and place of work. Yeah, you're not quite getting the appreciation and respect you deserve. You know, no matter what you do, it's like this cycle. It's like, hang on a minute, what the fuck's going on here? No matter what I do, it's never enough. You know, the intimacy's dried up with my wife. I seem to be getting the cold shoulder more often than not. That's creating friction, which then leads to this eventual rupture, because it is eventual. I mean, look at half the country and there's divorce every 6 minutes. It's crazy, man. And then, yeah, of course, you could probably be more present with the kids. And yes, there's more skills around relationships and communication with your wife and how to build a deeper level of intimacy. But shit, it's not that bad, is it? But here you are. You're not getting respected as a king of the household by your wife or your kids. And then that's affecting you with work. Sure, you could make more money and produce and go harder if there was more stability at home. But maybe if that was going better, you could then be better at home. But it's this juggling act that never ends, man. I'm here to tell you that you're not alone. Your feelings are valid and warranted. This isn't a she'll be right, mate, just fucking toughen up, because we all know where that road goes and the lone wolf dies. And he dies a lonely and horrible death. But I'm here to provide you a third option, a pathway. Instead of just spinning your wheels and doing the same thing, instead of then diverting and going the lone wolf path and just trying all these bits and pieces on your own, I'd like to invite you to join us for a one-off exclusive where I'm flying my entire team over to Perth to go through a 4-hour breakthrough we've already done along the East Coast that's going to absolutely blow you away. Who am I and why should you care? I'm Al, the founder of High Performance Father. We've worked with over 8,000 fathers. This is what I want to provide for you. The exact blueprint and path we've used with 8,000 men before you that we'll keep using, with our goal being 1 million families by 2028. This is a pretty important mission, man. The family nucleus matters, and the spine of that family, you, matter the most. That's what I want to invite you into, to give you control over your life again. We're going to build structure, and then in that structure, build your capacity and skill sets so you can operate. So physical and mental capacity, how you can layer that into your life. The skill sets around relationship, communication, connection, because without that, you won't have the leadership that you need with your wife, with your children, to have a deeper level of connection without the time required. You don't get balance through time. That's fucking ridiculous. You get balance through impact. And then how to do that, which is so important, consistently. So tap the link, look into the details we've got, man. It's going to absolutely blow you away. We've already done the entire East Coast. We're coming out to Perth. I want to invite you out to work closely with me and my team. 4-hour workshop, live, in-person event in Perth in June. Mate, it's going to be fantastic. And just like all the other men before you and all the men after you, it's going to be something that becomes a line in the sand that changes the trajectory of your life forever. Creating that level of intimacy and connection with your wife again, building that relationship with your children so they want to be around you when they're adults, and doing that in the best fucking shape of your life, physically and mentally. If that's something that excites you, man, what are you waiting for? Tap the link, join me and my team. This is an opinion. We're just showing you the path so many have already walked, and we're inviting you to do the same. Tap the link and join us for what's going to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that's going to change the course of your life and your families forever.